Everybody sucks.
Yep.
That one.
my
Illinois.
God, Illinois.
What the fuck are you doing? What are you doing?
Good Lord.
Those things. You should keep doing all of them, I think. Oh yeah, my name's Hobo Johnson. People like to say I'm a rapper. I'm actually not. I've
Jesus,
used
what
this
the
myself.
fuck is
I'm
that?
hell. But yeah, she's so nice. She was so nice and cared about me.
Describe what I felt in that moment, other than that overused word, rage. This was an instant whoosh of heat in my chest, throat, and
What are
head.
you doing?
A pure sort of rage that pushes everything out of your body until you...
Okay.
Probably, possibly, definitely. Will you hold the funnel for me? Well, one of us has to.
Yeah, one of us. Not it.
Wade has to do it.
Yeah, Wade has to do it.
Yeah, man, I gotta funnel my own breast milk into my ass?
Alright, so, okay. breast.
Right.
Which was his health condition.
It's a big deal. That's the issue.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Like,
No, I understand.
that was my issue. I forget. What are you doing, buddy?
Cutting through.
Ah!
Oh boy. Go this way. What are you doing? Dude, what? That's a fucking one-way, my guy. Oh, New Jersey.
He's like, I'm from
Bro.
just
What
what is
are
happening?
you doing?
Well, a lot of people.
Turn it up some.
Right.
Alright, boys. This is her favorite song, you know.
I don't know if it reached the rooms. I hope not. It's better than starve to death.
Of course,
God.
I understand. Melanie, tell me about the next few minutes after the quake.
New modern houses don't interest me. It's because, like, yeah, they're brand new and perfect. There's nothing wrong with them. It's like, I don't care. They're fucking boring.
Oh, Tesla ran that hardcore.
I didn't even see it.
Yeah.
What is happening?
I wake up every morning with my head up in a daze. I'm not sure if I should
Holy
say this,
fuck.
but I say it anyway. Everybody tries to tell me that I'm going to.
Sitting in front of me. Okay.
It's because I was quiet. She saw a ghost standing next to my crib watching me sleep. My mom stayed calm and kind of panicked and got me out of my crib. When she didn't sense any bad energy, but it did make her feel uncomfortable. As I got older, I didn't know about the gift, so I would tell my family about the shadow man, or shadow people.
Bring me back down. No, nothing can turn me around.
Oh my god.
But that was more than I could say for
Fuck off,
my
dude.
shoulder. More than I could
On Market Square, she's standing in her underwear, looking down from a hotel room. The nightfall will be coming soon.
Oh, that's close. What? Okay. Alright, that was a whole big fucking mess.
I was gonna check their front plate to see if they had a placard.
Okay, dude, Jesus.
I was gonna check their front plate and see if they had a placard. There's no front plate.
Oh. Very different. Oh, hi, bud.
All right there, pilgrims. Welcome to Distractable.
Do you ever, this just happened, you ever laugh or talk and the voice that comes out of you scares your own self?
Yeah, which is why it's always been funny to me that there are so many different styles of coffee when it is literally just that's the only difference.
The only difference is the milk.
It's like, yeah, okay, so.
Which is why nobody knows what they're fucking ordering.
Yeah.
I'm like, guys.
What are you doing, bud?
My favorite is when people are like,
are you pulling over or what are you doing?
Is he gonna double park?
I don't know what he's doing.
Good job. You made it to a one-way.
Yeah, he can't go down that street.
Fucking idiot.
Oh, I love that building.
What? That is funny.
Yep. Okay.
You're
Really,
a bitch.
dude.
You're a bitch.
Just fucking block everybody. Yeah, it's you, man. Come on. Get all pissed at everybody.
For just a few days, what came to be called the St. Bartholomew's Day Massacre, between 1,000 and 4,000 French Protestants were murdered in Paris. For good measure, King Charles carried the massacre into the country, ordering revenge killings against all Protestant Catholics.
Quote, replace as many parts of the body as possible with counterfeit organs. That is literally a quote from this kid.
Ooh, that's questionable phrasing. I totally am on board with, yeah, I want to replace as many parts of the human body with, with surrogates and organic replacements, not counterfeit organs.
Yeah.
This kid's grummy dad in the background just like, yeah, graduate. That organ business started.
Excuse
Buddy.
you. Jesus Christ.
For fuck's sake.
You can't just go up the sidewalk.
Like, yeah, right, you know what I mean? Yes. Like, and I'm just like, I can't hear anything you're saying.
That's exactly what it was. Oh, that's...
Yeah, we're stupid. That was good. Buddy,
oh my gosh.
dude. Yeah, I'm going. You're gonna walk in front of me. Jesus, man. Jesus, guys. Calm the fuck down.